Okay, here we go. Bought a watch. And this is the unboxing. Bought it from Amazon. I haven't bought a Casio watch in a long time. It's the PRG series. We'll see what we got. Manual. It's the PRG-600 series. I found it online as I was looking for different things, and it caught my eye, and I was like, whoa, what is that? Did a little more research. Has a bit of a following. This is a pre-used version of the watch. So it retails for I think over $300. Amazon has them for sale for $189. And I couldn't say no, because for what it does, I think it's pretty darn amazing. And I wish I was able to be smarter than the wrapper that this is wrapped in. There we go. And it looks brand new. I got it for $170. Retails for $189. So I saved, what, 20 bucks. And it looks pretty darn good. Even has the correct date and everything. Today's the 16th. So it's the PRG. Does a bunch of stuff. And I'm pretty impressed with it, how it looks. What I'm probably going to do is take off the bands and put on a NATO strap, double ring. I don't know what it does. Well, it does barometer, temperature, timers, alarms, and I thought that was pretty darn cool. So that was my unboxing. Cheers.